Right, hello again everybody, and today we have a no-name Euro cylinder, which is a little bit unusual. Just get it out of here. We have no name on the front at all. Quite an unusual keyway. And all we have is this number on the side of it. But the other thing we have is this little hole here, which actually has a pin. If we can say a spring-loaded pin in there, which is what was holding me up to start with until I spotted it, because that pin is the first thing to bind. Right, let's get this out here, make sure we're focused. So I can't remember who sent this to me. If anybody knows what make it is from the bits and pieces, that would be handy. I think this might have come from the Flying Locksman, but it's been in my naughty bucket for a little while because it's a right tricky little pick. And as you can see, it's all locked up with no key for it. But this little pin in the bottom is the first thing to bind, and you see we've got a fraction of movement on the core there. And then we'll go in, start at the back. Right, we've got a little click on 6, nothing on 5, 4, 3, tiny little click on 2, 1 is binding. Right, we've got a little click on 1, but it's still... Right, we've got an extra click and a little bit of movement on the core, so we're a little bit of full set, 2 solid, 3 counter rotation. Hopefully we've got that one set. 4. Getting counter rotation. We've obviously dropped something. Lost that full set. There's 1 again with the 2 clicks. 2. And we've got the full set back. 3 feels okay. 4. Touched 5 and got a slight bit of movement, but I am getting counter rotation from it. Right, we got the click but lost the full set again. Let's check 1 and 2 again. Right, that's 2 clicks out of 1. 2's giving us counter rotation, and we're open. So let's get this out of here. Nice, I have played with this for a while before. Pinning tray in. Just the camera. Just move my light slightly. And let's see what this has actually got inside here. Right, must remember not to lock it up. So try and get this clip off. There we go. And where are we? So we've got the pins there, but we have to remember down here we've got this extra pin. So let's see if we can do this without everything flying everywhere. Hopefully that's let's cover up that for a second and see what we've got. There's the extra pin, see, spring loaded, and you see it's obviously got the dimple on there for the key to, have we got, yep, and there's the little spring, sits in there, and there we have 6 key pins. Number 1 is very short and it's a steel one. 2, very long one. 3, it looks like it's got very slight serration on it. Same on 4. And 6 has, 5 has got a very light one, but 2 hasn't. See if we can, which one shows up the best. Don't know if we can get that on camera. As we can see, very slight serrations. There we go. And let's see what we've got up top. Alright, sort of a barrel pin serrations in it. In 1, 2 we have a spool. 3 we have a spool. 4 we have a spool. All the springs are the same. And then 6 we have another serrated, and 5 we have another spool. So all security pins, and like I say, we have some of those serrations on the key pins as well. Let's grab this up, give you a closer look. Get the focus, there we go. And there's the extra pin from in the bottom, which just literally locates into that hole. So like I said, I don't know what make this might be, but it has that number on it. But quite an interesting little no-name Euro. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.